Iceland beckons with a symphony of natural wonders. Imagine dramatic landscapes sculpted by volcanic fury. Picture cascading waterfalls plunging from towering cliffs. Envision vast glaciers shimmering under the midnight sun. This is Iceland, a land of stark contrasts and breathtaking beauty. This 14-day itinerary invites you to experience Iceland's magic. We'll guide you through iconic landmarks and hidden gems. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Our journey begins in Reykjavík, a vibrant city bursting with culture. From there, we'll venture into the wild heart of Iceland. Prepare to be captivated by the raw power and serene beauty of this extraordinary destination. Let the adventure begin. Hello and welcome back to our channel, Big Bong Theory. Day 1. Arrive in Reykjavík, Iceland's energetic capital. Settle into your accommodation and soak in the city's vibrant atmosphere. Enjoy a delicious dinner at one of Reykjavík's many restaurants. Savor fresh seafood or try traditional Icelandic lamb. Day 2. Today, embark on the classic Golden Circle route. Marvel at the thunderous Gullfoss waterfall. Witness the erupting Strókur geyser, a spectacular display of geothermal activity. Explore Thingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates meet. Day 3. Discover Reykjavík's cultural gems. Visit the Hallgrímskirkja Church for panoramic city views. Explore the Harpa Concert Hall, an architectural masterpiece. Immerse yourself in Icelandic history at the National Museum of Iceland. Don't forget to subscribe to Big Bong Theory for more exciting travel videos. Day 4. Rent your trusty 4x4 vehicle and head south. Prepare to be amazed by Iceland's dramatic coastline. Visit the iconic Seljalandsfoss waterfall, where you can walk behind the cascading water. Continue to Skogafoss waterfall, known for its rainbows on sunny days. Day 5. Explore the otherworldly landscapes near Vik í Mýrdal. Hike to the Sólheimajökull glacier for a closer look at these icy giants. Discover the black sand beaches of Reykjavík, where basalt columns rise from the sea. In the evening, embark on a thrilling glacier walk on the Sólheimajökull glacier. Day 6. Journey to Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. Watch in awe as icebergs, sculpted by time, drift towards the sea. Take a boat tour on the lagoon for a closer encounter with these glacial giants. Visit the nearby Diamond Beach, where icebergs sparkle on the black sand like scattered diamonds. Section 4. Days 7 to 8. Into the wild Westfjords. Day 7. Today, venture into the rugged beauty of the Westfjords. Drive along winding roads that hug dramatic coastlines. Discover hidden coves, charming fishing villages, and towering cliffs teeming with bird life. Hike to Dynjandi Waterfall, a series of cascading falls often called the Jewel of the Westfjords. Day 8. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of the Westfjords. Visit Latrabjarg bird cliffs, home to a vast array of seabirds, including puffins. Explore the remote Hornstrander Nature Reserve, a hiker's paradise with breathtaking coastal scenery. In the evening, unwind at a cozy guest house and savor the peacefulness of this remote region. Section 5. Days 9 to 11. Northern Delights. Akureyri and Myvatn. Day 9. Journey east towards Akureyri, Iceland's capital of the north. Stop at Víðsökur, a basalt sea stack rising from the waves like a mythical beast. Explore the charming town of Akureyri, known for its colorful houses and botanical gardens. Day 10. Discover the geothermal wonders of the Myvatn area. Visit the bubbling mud pools of Hverir, a surreal landscape reminiscent of another planet. Hike to the top of Hverfjall, a massive explosion crater offering panoramic views. Relax in the warm waters of the Myvatn nature baths, a less crowded alternative to the Blue Lagoon. Day 11. Explore the diverse landscapes around Lake Myvatn. Visit Dimmu Borgir, a labyrinth of lava formations said to be home to mythical creatures. Discover Godafoss, a majestic waterfall steeped in Icelandic history. In the evening, embark on a whale-watching tour from Húsavík, known as the whale-watching capital of Iceland. Section 6. Days 12 to 13. Back to Reykjavík, the South Highlands. Day 12. Begin your journey back towards Reykjavík, taking a detour through the rugged beauty of the South Highlands. Drive along the Jólur Highland Road, a historic route offering stunning views of glaciers and volcanoes. Visit Kerlingarfjöll, a geothermal area with colorful rhyolite mountains and steaming hot springs. Day 13. Continue your exploration of the South Highlands. Visit Landmannalaugar, a geothermal wonderland renowned for its colorful rhyolite mountains and hiking trails. Hike to the top of Brennisteinsalda, a vibrant red and green mountain for panoramic views. In the evening, soak in the natural hot springs at Landmannalaugar for a relaxing end to your day. Section 7. Day 14. Farewell, Iceland. Day 14. Return to Reykjavík, reminiscing about the unforgettable adventures of the past 2 weeks. Spend the day exploring any sites you missed earlier in the trip. Enjoy a final Icelandic meal, savoring the flavors of this unique country. As you depart from Keflavik International Airport, bid farewell to the land of fire and ice, knowing that its memories will last a lifetime. Subscribe to Big Bong Theory for more content.